Hi, ma'am. Good
Hi,
afternoon.
what's your name?
My name is Naveen Mandal, ma'am.
Tell me about yourself, Naveen.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Ma'am, my name is Naveen. I'm from West Bengal, ma'am. But currently, I'm living Bangalore.
Okay, you are living
Yeah,
in
ma'am.
Bangalore.
Yeah, ma'am.
और बताइए
Ma'am,
बारे में
ma'am, actually, I'm doing JNM nursing, ma'am.
JNM nursing course.
Yeah, ma'am. JNM
Okay.
nursing course.
Okay, you are doing nursing course. So you are in final year.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I am final year.
So this course is done after class 12 or after graduation.
Yeah, ma'am. Both, ma'am. If you want after 12 or if you want after graduation.
Okay, you can do it after 12th also.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, you have come to Bangalore to do this course
Yeah, ma'am.
and your family lives in West Bengal.
No, ma'am. Actually, my family live in Haryana, Gurugram.
Your family lives in Haryana.
Yeah, ma'am.
So here you are staying in a hostel.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, this is my hostel, ma'am.
Okay, this is your hostel. So you are sharing a room with your partner.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. I sharing
Okay,
partner.
two people are staying in one room.
Yeah, ma'am. Two
Okay.
people.
You have been living in the hostel for 2 years.
No, ma'am. It's 3 years. Then.
Okay. So this is a 3 years course, and you have completed 2 years.
Yeah, 2 years completed, but
Third year
this
is
is
going
2 months
on.
left.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Why do you want to learn English, Nabeen?
ma'am. Actually, after yesterday, ma'am, I went to interview for financial condition. That's why I went to interview. That time, ma'am, I can't speak fluently.
Okay. Because of your financial
Actually,
condition, you went for an interview.
yeah, ma'am,
Okay.
and ma'am, I want to learn English.
You want to learn English. Because of your financial
Yeah,
condition,
ma'am.
you went for an interview. So you want to do a job
Yeah, ma'am.
while doing your course.
Yeah, ma'am. I after completed my course, ma'am.
Okay, you want to do a job after completing your course. So right now your course is going
Yeah,
on.
ma'am.
You have not completed the course.
No, ma'am. 2 months. 2 months left, ma'am. 2 months only.
Okay. Only 2 months are left.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So in these 3 years course, they don't teach in English. Do they teach in English?
Ma'am, all classes are in English, but they don't teach how to speak and how to conversation with other people.
Okay. They don't tell you how
They
to
are only teaching,
have a
ma'am,
conversation.
subject wise.
Okay. They only teach their subject. They don't tell you how to
Yeah, ma'am.
communicate effectively, how to appear for interviews, and how to talk to people in English. You are trying to improve your
Yeah, ma'am.
English. So what are the problems that you faced in that interview?
Yeah, ma'am.
Were you scared?
Ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I'm scared, ma'am.
You were scared. What did they ask?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, what did they
Ma'am,
ask?
they they asked how many how have you been staying in Bangalore? And the next question, what was the last movie you have seen?
Okay.
And next question, tell me about your. And then I told them I have last seen Pathan movie, and then he tell me about the Pathan movie. Tell me about the Pathan movie.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Couldn't make a sentence.
You couldn't make a sentence. You were feeling scared that you would make mistakes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Let's try to answer this question. Which was the last movie you had seen? That was Pathan. Okay. So now you try to tell me the story of this movie. And if there are any mistakes, I will correct you. That will help you improve your English. Are you standing?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I'm sitting on my bed.
Okay, you are sitting. Yeah. Tell me the story of Pathan movie.
Ma'am, actually, I can't remember, ma'am, exactly.
Do you remember the story?
Ma'am, I can't remember, ma'am. Actually, after the Pathan movie, I watch a lot of movies.
Okay.
New
Which was the
all
okay?
movies.
You tell me which was the latest movie that you have watched.
Uh, what was I?
Have you watched Jawan?
Yeah, ma'am. I watch, ma'am.
You must have
Jawan
watched it
movie.
recently. Jawan movie. You must have
Yeah,
watched it
ma'am. I
recently.
Yeah,
Tell me the story of Jawan movie.
ma'am, that was a good movie, ma'am. Actually, I have recently. Shah Rukh Khan acting is very Uh, how can I say, ma'am?
Good.
Ma'am, actually,
Shahrukh
I
Khan's
can't.
acting is very good. Huh?
Yeah, and acting is very good, ma'am. I especially like the old age acting, ma'am.
You
Old
especially
age
like
acting.
the
High. I especially like the hijack the
okay
metro.
hijacking of the metro train.
Hijacking
So
of the metro train. Yeah, ma'am.
describe that scene when they hijacked the metro train in the movie. Only describe that scene, and we will try to correct the mistakes that you make. Only tell me that scene.
Ma'am, there are four or five. Exactly, I don't know, ma'am. How many girls to hijacking the metro? Four,
Okay.
I think, ma'am. they they came and hijacked the metro, and suddenly one policeman came and one girl hold and don't worry, people, I'm here and I'm police. And that time Shahrukh Khan walking.
Okay. Shah Rukh Khan and there was a team of five people, five girls and Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah,
They,
ma'am, five girls and
they all hijacked the metro train together. And what did they want in
yeah,
return?
ma'am.
What did they want in return? How much money they
Ma'am,
had? How much money they had asked for?
uh, sorry, ma'am, I don't know, ma'am,
Okay,
exactly.
let's say it was मान लो कि आप 50 लाख था. Now tell me this sentence कि उन्होंने
Yeah,
50
ma'am.
लाख की डिमांड करी मेट्रो ट्रेन को छोड़ने के लिए.
Firstly, Shahrukh Khan says the song and before the song end, you gave me 50 lakhs rupees. Then I'll go to the metro.
Okay, Shah Rukh Khan demanded 50 lakh rupees from them, and he said, if you give me 50 lakh rupees, I will set you free and I will leave the metro.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. After that, tell me Deepika's
Shahrukh
story.
Khan say,
Yeah. Tell me this sentence. ये वाला सारा जो है ना अब आप बोल के बताइए.
okay, ma'am. Shahrukh Khan said that if you give me 50 lakhs rupees, then I set you free.
I will set
Or
you
then
free. Yes. I will set you all free. I will set you all free. सबको आजाद कर दूंगा.
I leave the metro.
Yes. And now tell me the story of Vikram Rathore and Aishwarya. Shah Rukh Khan and Deepika Padukone.
Vikram Rathore.
Vikram Rathore was an army officer. He was an army officer.
Yeah, ma'am.
एक बंदा बंदूकें बेचने की कोशिश कर रहा था जो कि गलत जो कि मतलब खराब थी. How will you say that in English?
He was trying to sell uh, wrong gun.
They were trying to sell the faulty guns which were of no use. The army people couldn't have protected themselves with the help of these guns.
Okay, ma'am.
उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Then what happened?
No, ma'am. All army officers died.
Yeah.
Actually,
Many yeah.
the gun were many.
The guns were faulty.
The many army officers
died.
The gun was faulting, and then many officers died.
Many
because
officers
that,
died because the guns were faulty. The guns were not working. The guns weren't working. And when Vikram Rathore went against it, they tried to kill him. Yeah, ma'am. Who make the gun? They tried to kill him. Who make the gun? And they against report the high army officer. Yes. Vikram Rathore went against them and they tried to kill him and his wife. And then they thought, उन्होंने सोचा विक्रम राठौर मर गया. How will you say that? They thought Vikram Rathore die. They thought Vikram Rathore died. They thought Vikram Rathore died. And Deepika Padukone got the punishment because she tried to kill one of them. Deepika Padukone got the jail term for 5 years because she tried to kill the murderer. Okay. She tried to kill the murderer. Okay, Nabeen, let's do this second question. This was the movie wala question. Okay. Now tell me the other question that was asked in the interview. Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. What was the question? Tell me.
Ma'am, three question only just.
Okay, what was the other question?
Then ma'am, three question only. First questions, how have you been live in Bangalore? And
Okay,
if I give you this job, so
okay,
how will you come the job? Actually, ma'am, where I went to interview, that is distance 160, 170 kilometer, ma'am.
170 kilometers. Okay, so they asked you,
Yeah,
if we
ma'am.
give you the job, how would you come to the office? Why were you trying a job
Yeah,
so
ma'am.
far away? How would you have gone
Yeah,
170
ma'am.
kilometers every day? You couldn't have gone while
Yeah,
studying.
ma'am.
You are studying also.
Told them, ma'am, if ma'am, yeah, I told them, if you give me job, then I'll find out a one PG, then I'll go job.
I'll find out.
I find out PG, ma'am, PG,
PG. Okay. You
boys
said I
PG.
would find a PG here. I can easily come to work.
Yeah, ma'am. If you give me
How will
the
you,
job,
yeah. If you give me the job,
I would
I would shift here in a PG and I can easily come to work.
I would shift here in a PG. I can
And
easily come to work.
work. But tell me,
Yeah,
how
ma'am.
will you do your course if you shift to that place?
Ma'am, 2 months, but
Okay,
this is
okay,
my
okay.
study time. But I
You are,
have
yeah.
actually, ma'am, I just go experience, ma'am. I want a experience,
Okay.
interview experience,
You
ma'am.
want a job to gain experience.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
I want a job to gain
Okay.
experience.
The third question was, how have you been
And
living in Bangalore? आप बेंगलोर में कैसे रह रहे हो?
yeah, ma'am.
What did you say?
Ma'am, I said, ma'am, actually, I'm living the my hostel, and I
Living in
have
my
recent,
hostel? Yes.
I have living in my hostel, and
नहीं
I
नहीं,
am pursuing my GNM nursing.
I have been living in a hostel
I
and
have
I'm
been living.
in a
I
hostel.
have been live in the hostel, and I'm pursuing my GNM. I'm continue my GNM nursing.
Yes, correct. So then, do you think they rejected you because of English? Did they tell you that?
No, yeah, ma'am. One person came and they told me they rejected you. Which why? Um, I answer all right. Why they rejected me? They said me. You they say and they said you can't handle the people, ma'am. Actually, I went for interview. BPO, ma'am. BPO
DPO. What is
center.
DPO?
BPO means, ma'am, business process outsourcing. It's
Okay.
like one type of like a, if you have a Flipkart, then you give the other company to handle the wall customers,
Okay. But
and
you are doing a
they
nursing course, no?
handle the wall calling.
Okay. But you are doing a nursing
Yeah,
course.
ma'am. I'm doing a nursing course.
So this,
Yeah,
since
ma'am.
you
I
are not
also
actually,
part time.
you are not qualified for this job because your course is something else and you went for a different job. Maybe
Yeah,
that is why they rejected you. Yeah.
ma'am. Actually, I want gain a different experience,
Okay.
ma'am. That's
You
why.
went there just to gain experience in that area, but that is not your area actually. You just wanted to do something
Yeah, ma'am. That
else
is not
other
my
than your
area.
course. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Doesn't matter,
yeah,
you will have to appear in many, many interviews to get selected. And people
yeah,
give
ma'am.
some 10 interviews, then they get selected in one. It is not a big deal. Everyone gets rejected in interviews. It's not a big deal. Don't worry about that. You will definitely get a nice job. And it's just a learning experience. You give some practice interviews and then go for a final
Yeah,
interview
ma'am. Thank
after doing a lot of practice.
you.
For doing interview practice, you can watch
Yeah, ma'am.
English videos.
Yeah, ma'am. I watch many times English video. Every day I watch 4 to 5 hours
Okay.
English contents, and when I have watched your wall videos, ma'am, on YouTube channel.
Okay. One video.
No, ma'am, all video.
Oh, all videos. Oh, thank you so much. So you like my
Yes,
videos, huh?
yeah, ma'am. I like your video. That's why I have a message. I have sent a message, and you reply me.
Okay.
That's why.
Actually, I try to reply to everyone.
Yeah,
Actually, everyone says that, ma'am, you are not
yeah, ma'am.
replying to me. I try to reply to everyone, but it takes time because there are so many requests. I want to have conversation with everyone actually, but it takes some time. Yeah. So all the best, Naveen. I hope you will clear your interview
Thank you.
and you will get a very nice job. Best of luck.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am. Next time, next time, ma'am, I'll do my best.
Yes. Very good. It was so nice talking to you. I enjoyed so much. Okay, Naveen. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Bye, bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.